Gizzy credit. Anything you want, then you can get it. Don't be scammed, cause then you'll regret it. Hollywood no longer gotta look pathetic. Gizzy.
What's good, my people? Your boy GizzyCredit here, giving out another credit repair results to this customer who only wanted us to work on her Equifax report. As you can see, this is a report from 8/2 over the weekend. It's 8/5, August 5th today. No credit score on Equifax, but let's take a look at her credit monitoring, see if we can find her before and after. Let me see this identity IQ right there where it says menu. So here's the thing about identity IQ. I don't find archive report on identity IQ, so I can't show you a before and after. I can only show you how she got started. Okay, so wait a minute now. I forgot that I gave her a quote back in June, so I always copy and paste when I give a quote out to people. But as you can see, these are her negative items here. 1, 2, which was a late payment, October, November, December. We'll remove from her credit report. Macy's, National Credit Systems, Collections, Westlake Services. All right, these were the negatives that she had on her Equifax that needed to be removed. So I can't show you anything else more because then that goes into her info. But as you can see right here, the collection debt that she has was definitely reduced or removed. So her personal info is below. She's from Grand Prarie, but as you can see, this was her Equifax credit report, and we removed. We only have one negative account left, and this is only one bureau, and she only wanted us to work on one bureau. Alrighty, so congratulations to her. Hopefully the next one or another dispute and her Equifax is done, she could go do what she got to do. Anyway, 725 credit score on Equifax. Good for her. Only one more negative account left to be removed. If you're looking for a credit repair quote, you already know. GizzyCredit at GizzyCredit.com is my email address. I'll post it below. You could DM me here on Instagram or on YouTube. Best way to contact me is my email though. So make sure you if you want a quick credit repair quote, let me know. I'll send you my info. These results, not everyone gets, but we disputed online, so we were able to get these fast results. But as you can see, in the first round, we got these results for this customer. Of course, it's a process. Not everyone's going to get these results, but we commit to you, and we just hope that you have the patience and commit to yourself like we're committed to you. Anyways, my people, see you later. GizzyCredit. Alright, my people, so that was my customer's first round results. I'm still waiting on the second round to finish in order to post those results. So I just want to make this quick video. We are still here giving people fast credit repair results. Haven't made a video in a while. Got my daughter right there, so it's kind of hard to be a stay-at-home dad and work and give people results and make all these videos. But you can always find me on my Instagram because I'm there every day giving out quotes and giving out credit repair results. See you all there. See you later.
Don't get scammed. What you need is just a change of plans. And time is money, get that cash. Whatever form it comes, just